I'm not gonna YouTube it. I'm just gonna videotape just in case a UFO lands in the front yard.
Look at that.
Strike!
I'll get that. Okay. Why do you have my shoes? Because you have my shoes.
Teach how Tiffany play. Jump, 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 jump. Wow, Brianna's so professional. What happened about that one? Ooh, good shot. Let's see who hits the car the most. That's the new game.
So far, you.
That's true. 3, 4, 5. You have to rally. When you spike, it's harder to. 2, 1, 2.
How do you do that?
Oh, what would? See? See what happens when you don't concentrate?